watching the Brie Beauty. If you are new to my channel, then I do make videos related to makeup, fashion, lifestyle and skincare. And if you're interested in this category, then consider subscribing. Now let's talk about today's video. Today's video is extremely special because I think you have already seen that this video is supported by Pinkishe organization, and this is the fastest growing all women organization in India. This community has 2 lakh plus women and 50 plus branches across India. God, and it's been an honor, to be associated with them. I feel lucky that this video is supported by this organization because they are working so hard for women acknowledgement and the awareness, as well as the upliftment for women. And they have a lot of programs which are quite interesting, and I would say that's all for wellness. And let me talk about a little about them. That they have a lot of programs, that is pad bank. It is all about providing the hygiene, menstrual hygiene education to the rural women, and also they distribute free eco-friendly reusable cotton pads to needy girls and women. Of course, this is great because they are thinking good for our society. They are doing well, they are contributing so much to the woman, and of course it's so good. And they have also the Paki program. It is basically a legal thing. If any girl is in danger, and they can call the Paki and they will help. So, and they have the Pinkishe magazine. As you know, this is also an all-woman magazine. It's about the woman. It's about the success of a woman. Maybe sometimes just go and check their website, guys. That is fabulous. And they have also Nari, which is basically a female-centric exhibition and events. They have Pink Wing. It is exclusively all women travel, and the Pink Mic. It is an open platform exclusively for women. So they are working so hard for women. So I hope that all women out there would love to support them just like me. So I'll give the link of their website below in the description box. Go and check that out. And lastly, I would love to thank them that they have given me the opportunity to be a part of them, and it's been an honor. Yeah. And so that's it. And now in this video I am going to do this look right here, which is quite glam and holiday, Christmas holiday look especially. And as you know, guys, that I have a YouTube group, and every Tuesday we upload a new video on a challenge, and this week's challenge is red look. So this video is collaborated with all of them. I'll give all their links in my description box below. So if you want to check their versions too, after watching my video, go check their versions. And if you like their videos, don't forget to subscribe to their channels. Thank you, guys. And yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get straight into the tutorial.